I don't know. I knew it, see? Damn, this is why I don't count out American Muscle. God. Oh, that thing is sexy.
Alright, wow. That thing pulls good.
It does.
It pulls good.
Let's see on this angle. Here we go. It's like, oh, GT was like, oh, and then the ZL1 said, no, hold on. I'll show you why American Muscle is better than German Muscle. And it actually is. You can't even lie. Here we go. Round 2. Round 2. Man, that just sounds so like harmony. Okay. Ooh, did he low-key like shift too early? Damn. Oh my god. Oh, he put on the hazard. Shit. That's why he left too. He knew it. Like, damn. And that's 63. All that luxury, supposedly, for it to get smoked. But that is for the coupe versus the sedan. But I don't think they're too far off in weight.
It was much better at the beginning for sure, but
man, great race. Next, Big Body Dance.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel and thanks for joining in.
Real Big Body
So
Dance.
back with another exciting match for you guys here tonight. And what I got right here in front of me is beautiful 2021 Mercedes GT63 AMG.
Man, that's as big as the F63.
Now last week I saw this car on the channel, just recently raced up against M3 competition. That's a little recap what's done with this car. He is on the downpiped intakes with an ECU, CPC, and TCU tune. And he's estimated to be somewhere around 700 wheel horsepower. I don't know the torque numbers, he did not get dynoed. Man, he's going to be running up against a 2021 Camaro ZL1 1LE.
Damn, look at that front splitter.
We've seen this car on the channel.
I think too.
He's done a lot of upgrades recently.
That's crazy.
He has heads and cam, long tube, X5 intake, and both upper and lower pulley, running a 93 octane with meth injection. And the owner told me he's making right around 750 wheel horsepower.
I always love those links. That doesn't look weird on there.